I have here a Samsung Galaxy A53. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM1, SIM2, or the SD card. And I'm just going to show you how to insert it since it seems like there's a lot of confusion. Okay, so first thing is, let's go ahead and go ahead and eject your SIM tray / SD card tray. Okay, on the bottom left hand side, go ahead and grab your SIM ejection tool, something like this. If you don't have this laying around, you can use another phone's SIM ejection tool, or you can use something thin and long like a bobby pin or paper clip, as long as it's like thin and long. Okay, anyway, so if I look under here, we see that tray right there. I'm going to put the needle here on the left hand side. I'm going to put it right in there, and I'm going to press in. So press in, and then once I press in, the lip here will pop out just a little bit, the tray, as you can see right there. So let me go ahead and pull this out just like this. Now if you look at the tray here, okay, so I'm not sure if you can see, but this on this side here says SIM1, and if I flip it over, now this side says micro SD card on top, and the bottom it says SIM2. Okay, so we can put our SIM1 into here, our main SIM card, and over on the other side we have an option. You can put SIM2 in there, or you can put the SD card. All right, so let's just do this. Let me put my SIM1 in first, and you can see the diagonal cut on the bottom right hand side there. So we want to put the SIM card exactly in like that. So the bottom left hand side here, you see that little diagonal cut there. So what we're going to do is place it in the SIM1 here, and the metal contacts are going to be facing up, as you can see there. Now when I turn it over, it should snap into place. When I turn it over, it should not fall out. Okay, now on SIM number 2, now we have a choice. We can do the SD card, or we can do the SIM number 2. Let's go ahead and try SIM number 2 here. Okay, so again, I have SIM number 1 in here, and now I'm going to put SIM number 2 on this back side. Okay, on this back side, the metal contacts will go up. You can't get this wrong. It only goes in one way. So this time I got the diagonal cut on the bottom left hand side here, the diagonal cut or slit, and there's a slit here as well. So what I'm going to do is put this on the top half of the tray, and then what you want to do is press it in, and it should snap into place. Okay, so I got SIM1 here, SIM2 here. All right, so if you just want to use SIM1 and SIM2, and then from there you just go ahead and slide it back in. Make sure the hole matches here on the left hand side when you put it in. Okay, now if you want to put the SD card in there instead of SIM number 2, so again, here's SIM number 1, and then SIM number 2 on the second side. Instead of putting the second SIM in, I'm going to put just the SD card. Okay, so with the SD card, the metal contacts go up as well. Also note that the highest, the max SD card size is 1 TB, 1 terabyte. Okay, even though I have a small 128 gig on this one. But so I got the little hole here on the bottom here, and what I'm going to do is put the SD card in just like this with the metal contacts up. Okay, so I'm just going to put it just like this, and you can't get this wrong. You can only put it in one way. It only clicks in one way. So let me go ahead and put this in, and now it just snaps into place. All right, so now I got SIM number 1 and my SD card here, and then just remember, just match up the holes and slide that in. Okay, pretty simple. Questions, issues, just comment below. Good luck.